another long ride past the county line. Streetlights flicker like a fault in time. We were half awake and all burned out, still screaming just to drown the doubt. Your boots on the dash, cigarette glow. Said nowhere left but forward to go. Every bad decision felt like proof we were still alive and still uncouth. We kept talking like tomorrow was a train we'd never catch. Just a pair of tired hearts trying not to crack or scratch. We were headlights cutting through the rain, singing every word like it killed the pain. Voices shot raw from the nights we chose, living too fast with a fistful of ghosts. If the map burns up and the miles fall through, I'll still hear those songs that carried me and you. We were young, half lost, but we meant every word. In the noise of a life that we never deserved. Corner bar with a jukebox dead, cheap beer foam and a busted thread. We wrote our names in permanent ink on every bridge we swore we'd sink. You said time don't care who's right, it just keeps pushing through the night. So we laughed like fools on borrowed days, setting fire to the yesterdays. Every promise hit like thunder, every truth cut through the haze. We were carving out a heartbeat in the wreckage of our ways. We were headlights cutting through the rain, singing every word like it killed the pain. Voices shot raw from the nights we chose, living too fast with a fistful of ghosts. If the years drag down and the crew splits wide, I'll still hear that roar from the passenger side. We were loud, worn thin, but we held that line, like the last call ringing through closing time. Hey, hey, don't look back. Hey, hey, don't look back. Don't slow down. We built our home in every town, every scar, every mile still hits hard. After a while, we said stay gold, we said stay loud, we said burn bright through every crowd. Now the nights come quiet where the noise once lived, but I still feel the weight of the life we did. Every stage, every scream, every closing bar still echoes like a siren in a passing car. We were headlights cutting through the rain, singing like we never feel this again. Hearts on fire and our backs to the wind. Every wrong turn proof of where we've been. If the clock runs out and the lights go low, I'll still hear that roar from the shows we stole. With the same damn chords and the same damn crew, on a road that keeps pulling me back to you. If this song finds you on a broken night, know the fire we lit still burns in the fight.